Today we are going to work on some National Scrapbook Day things. The official National Scrapbook Day is in May, but people celebrate it anytime. My crew will be celebrating it in March. So I wanted to show you a couple of things. This is the project recipe. So if you go online and purchase the project recipe, you will be making 2 double-page spreads. And it comes with all the paper you need and the stickers. So I just wanted to show you that if you're not attending a National Scrapbook Day, you still can go on and make these. And what I'm going to use today is the accessory paper and the embellishments. So we live in South Florida, and I just planted some basil, tomatoes, and peppers. So I'm excited about using these pages for that. All right, so these are the accessory papers, and I have chosen these 3, and we are going to do a really simple 3-cut page to make a double page spread. All right, so I am going to use these 2 as my base. Let me just move those aside. These 2 will be my base pages, and I am going to cut this one. I want my stripes to go, I think, this way. So when I'm cutting the 5 by 12, that's going to be the way my stripes go. So I am going to cut this at 5 inches. And then I'm going to turn the paper and cut it again at 5 inches. And then I have these 2 as well. So now this one is going to go on there to kind of mute that down a little bit, or you could reverse them and put it on this paper. And then with these, you're going to use the reverse of this one. So these will just go somewhere around here. I'm going to go ahead and stick mine down because I know that's what I want to do. The spring collection that just came out this past Monday matches beautifully with these, so go check that out too. And if you purchase before the 7th of March and you place an $80 order, there's free shipping. Gotta love free shipping. All right, so you can either offset this so you know it's offset, or try to line it up. Of course, I'm very symmetrical, so I'm going to line mine up. That is all you're doing for cutting. And now you're going to take your photos and place them. So I have some of these just to show you. So I'm going to place a 4x6 photo there. I am going to place a 4x6 photo here. I will place a 6x4, technically, I know that says 4x6, there and there. And again, I'm going to try to leave the same amount of room, and I want it to show on this side as well. So it's up to you how you like that. And I'm going to do one more. It's the wrong way, but that's okay. Still going to be a 4x6. And then I will place a 4x4 photo here and probably a 3x3 photo there. And now I'm going to take all these really cute embellishments, look how adorable that is, and just kind of play around with what you like. Need something bold to stand out on that paper. Oh, that one's maybe even better. Oh yeah, so I'm going to put that wheelbarrow there, and there's some potted plants. There's the other wheelbarrow. Oh, I also used the new punch that's called Flower Pots. So I went ahead and cut 2 of them because I figured you probably already know how to use the punches. So I will put that there. And then what if we put this down here? I went ahead and cut 2 of them. And if you want to get really creative, you could cut multiple colors and put multiple pieces on top of that. And the other side of that paper already has that, so you could cut there and make that be your base too. So I'll show you what that looks like. Let me grab my trimmer back out. If you wanted to add a little bit more color to the bottom of your page. So I could use 2 of these instead of the punch and put that at the bottom. So you could do it either way depending on what colors you wanted. I still think I like this better, so I'm going to go back to that. And these are just placeholders until I have my photos. When my peppers start to grow and my tomatoes start to grow. And like I said, now you can just put these around. You could use the stickers. Friendship grows here, that'd be cute too. And now I'm not so sure if this, yeah, I guess you still could use that. I don't know that I would though. So if I was doing this, I probably wouldn't put that there, but you could put some other things there. So now you're just going to play around with whatever embellishments. Here's some little pots. Friendship grows here. You could do that and put pictures of your friends. It doesn't have to be a garden. So if you're not a gardener, you don't have to worry about that. You still could put that on top of that. Maybe you want to put that there where it has what you can put peppers, tomatoes, whatever. So just play around with your embellishments. I'd put some kind of an embellishment here. I definitely would want a little cluster of something there. Welcome to the garden. That's cute there too. Use some foam squares to pop that up a little bit. So just play around. There's lots of different embellishments for you to use. Maybe next to that you could have a couple pots there. That I wouldn't use on mine. Oh, that would be a good one. All right, so you get the idea. Literally, you're making 3 cuts with your paper. I'll stick this back up here so you have the sizes. But you're cutting 1 piece of paper. You're using 2 bottom pieces, 2 base pages, and with 3 cuts, 3 pieces of paper and some embellishments, you have a really nice, easy double page spread. Take care, everyone.